March ni som pakwa sang ni som ni paruk ani Donald Trump patele Israel te thu a in mulo tat maya Trump hian in Israel hi ron soi sel de ungik maya hi hian in hong thang e thalawan ai don kan riak tran main he kan en ho lokang
St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School chuan kum sang ni som ni paruk atanga sang ni som ni pasari academic sessionatan class 9 atanga class 12 arts admission kan hong le ta e kan zilh te talent ho chuanan co-curricular activities strong school sport field trip picnic excursion teachers day le adang te ro pui taka man pui thinan ni experienced teacher ten pathian thu ne na no pangan zirtirna le an kai hroina skula hian admission ron ti vero le
St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Arts Admission ati thei me kan yo he phone number aron tarlana te hianin in lo bedonia ole kan riak tranang.
And a rare rebuke of Israel from the US president. Donald Trump says he knew nothing about Israeli attacks on Iran's South Pars gas field. The
South Par gas field hi Iran ramtan sonin poimo deu mayania kaka Israel lampang khanin an lo vaka pero dan lo va beiringota hi Donald Trump hianin hi tak hi ka siat puilo reng ati dai mayani hetianga Trump aron trong chwa dai na chan hi aril rem khop mayani chuan thil pakhat ka soidu chu hei CNN atangin kan riak me kan hi tuna hian CNN te hi chuan in Trump hi an tran vak lo hei chu kan hria tangai tin Fox News om lea Trump te tran tu ni Fox News channel hi mo chu wang chuanin Fox News channel en chuan CNN en le nge yangai a in balance nan mo chu wang chuanin CNN ina tuna Trump pana hetianga aron soi anron report hi chu news belt chian dolania chuan kan riak zelang
largest in the world. The president posted on social media, no more attack will be made by Israel on the area unless Tehran retaliates.
Trump hianin hetiang hianin aron post on social media Israel out of anger for what has taken place in the Middle East. Middle East athil thenga wang hianin Israel hin thin rim a chu wang chuanin hetianga an thin rim na anin control thailo wang hianin Iran ramma South Pars gas field ti hi an lova beichiam ringot maya tin South Pars gas field a hianin kami gas song bol na zong kha ti chian vek chu ani lowa chete portion chete chu ti chiat ani beiani hei United States ti hianin kan hriat pui mi lowa hemi tak bi ka hi chu tin Israel ina hetiang an lova che thawang hianin Iran in phuba an la Iran ina phuba an lak dan po Israel ka ple lowin Qatar an ka ple de mayani Qatar an ka ple dai maya Iran lampang hian an fingang reng khop mai achan chu Israel chu ahlang reng sia Middle East air defense system tam taka oma chu wan chonin Israel missile manga an ka hianin atam zo hi chonin a thleng hlei theilo hi Iran lampang hian an ria chu wan chonin Middle East katiang air defense system nei thave lem lo ang chi Qatar te katiang chi an ka an bei thina ni to po Qatar hi abeya Qatar po hi abei satli ani lawa Qatar mun poimo de mai Qatar LNG gas facility kha Iran lampang hianin aka chiat sak vele ani a chevek cholo ma ro chu ati chiat sak ve nual ani chu wan chonin he thilawang hianin khovel pumpuya hian energy crisis a ompal mai theya anin beisel chuan mo chu Trump hianin a sheve ani a chan chu Trump pakhanin he Indo na kha atul ati ang reng boxi atlang aw na sa boxi ya tuna po hianin kan hriat pui lowin mun sang atangin pressure hi adong na don lutuk achan chu Middle East an Indo awang hianin hovel pumpuya India rama chonin election te om nai dona an la ti tawlo po ni mai theatin oil phurlong kha tam tak kha India rama chon ran kal hrim boka chu ma chonin India chu kan la him ri viau hemi chung changa hian amaro chu ramdang ade chonin an gas man hei asang towa gas te awang towa petrol te awang towa khatiang ha ramdang din mun ani chu wan chonin ram hroi tu te tang point pressure hi an dong na sa don ti a hriata US le Israel te hian tin generation thar hei Gen Z kan tiang che ni millennials atlema no pang de hlek ho ang chi ho mitam zo khi chonin tuna United States sipai te le Donald Trump ate thil ti Middle East an thil ti hi an support lo ti hi social media hianin poll te an na an tlang au puina sa mai ani hei Trump ate po hianin an hreve karani chu wang chuanin tu an ma Trump hi nakin loka midterm election ma chon tur te ani boka chu wang chon hetianga Iran abe na po hianin afim khurve nga em mai ani chuwang tak chuan hetiang ang statement te hi aron siam chuak ta ani Iran chu be chu atha ati ama ero chu khatianga energy economy inti chiat sakvek ero kha chu US lampang chuan in atru lowe an ron ti ni Trump hi mo eta tak hian in Trump hi aron fing thiam vele ang reng khop mai
against Qatar, which of course shares the gas field with Iran. Oil and gas facilities came under attack from Iran on Wednesday, including sites in
Riyadh, Saudi Arabia po hey Iran lampangin be puyan thlan yon kap fuwala tlat mai
Qatar, the UAE and Kuwait. Saudi
chuanin nichina kan han soitak Trump pan Israeli na hetianga be pui South Park gas field ta athla hi kan riat pui mi lawati kha news channel danga chuan mo news channel danga chuanin te hian aron puang ani Israel official te chuanin thu chu an siama Trump pan min riat puya United States te ne na I tang hawin engkim in riat pui vekin hetiang hianin be pui kan thla kani anron ti vele dai mai ni Israel lampang chuan Trump pan ka riat pui lawati amaro chu Israel sipai te chuanin Trump pan min riat pui aron ti le dai mai ani
Saudi Arabia says it intercepted 4 missiles over Riyadh as foreign ministers from the region met in the capital. CNN's only
Riyadh hianin kimi Middle East vela foreign minister te khanin mukhom meka adan mukhom level hianin Riyadh hianin Iran lampangin missile an kapa maro chu no intercept man ani
even joining us now from Jerusalem, and Oren, I want to learn more if we can about what happened with the Israeli attack on the Iranian part of the South Pars gas field. What do we know? What do we understand? We've certainly heard from the US president. Anything from the Israeli side?
Oh, Trump to soi kha chu kan threto tu na henin Israel lampang
Becky, before we saw President Donald Trump's response, we had heard from 2 Israeli officials that the attack was coordinated with the
two Israeli officials hepai ran saidon take
United States, and that, of course, is no surprise. Since
Israel official pani te hianin Trump patenen hetiang hianin kan in rona chumin huwa Iran na South Park gas field ti kan be ani aron tile dai mai ani
the very first opening strikes nearly 3 weeks ago now, Israel and the U.S. have been coordinated on nearly every aspect of this. And that's not only a testament to the relationship between the U.S. and Israel at the political and military levels, it's also simply necessary to carry out these attacks with so many moving parts in the air.
An mani lampang hi chuanin heta reporter in aron soidan hi chuanin atira tang to hanin Israel le US te hi chu an tang dun renga engkim intelligence information in share veka chu wang chuanin che tan lak don pon an ni hret pui vek tianga Trump ban ka hret pui mi lawa chu wang chuanin Israel lampang te hi heting hen lo ti to su se tianga ati po hi thu bel chian do lo ani tiang zo hanin aron soile dei mai ni hei chuan mo amaro chu heta tak hianin politics I Trump hianin ron khel ve ti kan pom mangai ni heta tak hi chuan mo chan chu soidong hanin ma lo midterm election ma chon tur ani ya mi kil ti sang atangin pressure hi adong na don me mani Trump hian a chan chu tian Middle East a Indo bulletana amaro chu atumangin thilakal thei lova atira chuanin an ram shroi tu te a tha han du tok mai atuma amaro chu adumang han thilakal ta si lawa te arin ai rei dei khati hen an Indo ta ani tin tu da hianin mitam tak sedan chuanin Trump pa hi hetiang hianin atianga statement asia manga zoi in Iran abe na hi chua san emo top san atum ani tiang hoizonga news report te pokha awmani ama Trump pangai pokhan khatiang hoizong de ukhanin a soilang heng he nimin lama interview na anin ka ria amaro chu soito he video masalama de pokan react to ne khatiang khanin Trump pakhanin soima se enge ati tak doner ro ha chu soi thei ani lo a chan chu gan ria Donald Trump chu a chet lak tur hi engmai a predict lok thei lawani chu wang chuanin ka chua san mai thei ka top san mai thei ati pokha min preng na tur kha alo ni le mai thei ani epo ni se tu na hianin Iran lampang chuanin Strait of Hormuz hi an kan khar an tiamar chung khar chuang lova an khar lo han ti khanin oil phur long te kha Trump pate US le atho puite ram nei to ram te khat kan ti mai niang chu khang ang oil phur long te kha chu Iran la pahianin kaltang an phal velawa India te China ti vel ero hi chu an phalani hemi hi Iran lampang po hianin an phình khóc mày cùng sáng ni pathum cùng sáng ni chawa US na Iraq arun trum khan thil theng kan re to kha Saddam Hussein kha an thata chuwang an tha nu khanin Iraq ram kha ti khanin atlu chenghal mai ani khata tang khanin Iran te hi an lo in zir fing ti hi kan re ta ngai ani tuna I Khamenei om to lo tin an ram shroi tu poimo official tam tak Israel US te hi ni nan tha sak to amaro chu Iran ramaro relai sarkar hi alatlu the chuang lo achan chu kumsang ni chawa US na Iraq an run trum atanga thil theng atang khan an lo in zir ve na sa ani tuna hianin an apply ve me kan ni an lo in zir fin na ang chi te khamo ole khati zong kha tun trum ata na kan han ria kan han soi zau thei chu ani video le kan in mule theu do ni o